These days, competition is crazy high. The moment a client posts a job, they get tons of proposal, and in most cases, they pick someone who applied fast and wrote a clear, relevant proposal. So in today's video, I'm going to share an amazing trick to help you write a proposal faster and more accurately. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more awesome tips. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is create a journal proposal template for the main skill you are offering. For example, let's say you are applying for a web development job. You should write a basic proposal template that you can later customize depending on the job. The goal here is not to copy paste the same proposal every time. Instead, you are creating a layout that saves time and make sure you don't forget important points. Remember to add placeholder in your proposal so you can easily customize it later according to the job post requirement. Now that you have written your base template, the next step is to make the process faster using a Chrome extension called TextBlaze. So let's download it now. Once it's installed, open the TextBlaze dashboard and click the plus icon, create a new snip. This is where we will paste our template. For the label, you can name it something easy to remember like web development, web dev, then paste your web developer proposal into the content area and TextBlaze will automatically save it. Now let's back to the Upwork and find relevant job post and click apply. In the proposal text box, type / and the snip name web development and boom, your full template appears. You can now modify it a little bit depending on the job post. This method saves so much time and helps you be one of the first to apply, which as we discussed earlier gives you higher chances of getting noticed.